Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing between 12 and 24-hour clock on Oppo Smart Watches. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel, then tap the settings cog to open the settings. Scroll to the bottom and tap Other Settings. Scroll down the Other Settings and tap Time. Now tap the time format that you would like to use. It will change immediately. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Oppo Watch tips and tricks.